You have written the Healthcare College of ICT scholarship test, right? Congratulations on your offer. Do you know the first cohort started already? Were you in class? Oh, guess you've not decided on which course to take. That's where I come in. I would like to introduce to you a department, the Multimedia department. It has a lot of wonderful courses you can take. This department is a creative department with lots of opportunities. Being part of this department gives you an opportunity to be a member of the SQI Multimedia team. Being part of this team gives you an opportunity to learn a bonus kind of a course like streaming, photography, video editing, and more. So what are you waiting for? Oh, there's the tuition part, right? Worry not. There is a plan that will be suitable for your account. You can always pay per level, which will kind of simplify things for you. We'll see you in class, right?